This is ICL Boulby. We are the first and only polyhalite operation in the world. At our mine, we mine, process and manufacture products of polysulfate. We provide this unique natural fertiliser to farmers here in the UK and all over the world. This is the polysulfate story.
This is my part in the polysulfate story. We map out areas of the highest quality polyhalite which the mining team can then extract.
This and this is polyhalite, a hard rock mined here at ICL UK. This is then crushed and screened and turned into this, polysulfate.
Each skip tips into a holding bin, which is then transferred via the tube conveyor up to the poly plant. Inside the poly plant, after crushing and screening, we produce 3 grades of polysulfate. We have the standard, the minis and the granular.
Here in the lab we work 24/7 testing polysulfate, ensuring every shipment is top quality.
Every granule of polysulfate fertiliser has a very important job to do somewhere in the world. Each wagon holds 59 tonne. We can load approximately 600 tonne an hour.
This is the next part of the polysulfate story. Here at ICL T-Sport we distribute polysulfate by road and by sea. We load ships which go to UK, Europe and other parts of the world. Today we have got the Tian Lewin, which is loading polysulfate standard, polysulfate granular and polysulfate minis for China.
This is our part of the polysulfate story. We are Origin Fertilisers, a manufacturer and distributor of crop nutrition products. Here on site today we have polysulfate that has arrived straight from the mine. It's gone through our blending plant, we've packed it and now it's dispatching to local farmers.
We're seeing a tremendous increase in polysulfate demand. as farmers recognise that balanced, precise fertilisation is vital for their future.
We use polysulfate on our winter wheat and our winter oilseed rape.
E essa liberação lenta a gente nota na balança no final, né, na colheita, que ele vem produzindo um pouco mais em relação aos componentes.
Polysulfate is a very dense, uniform product, spreading up to 36 meters.
La aplicación con polisulfato y la mayoría de nuestras plantas son de porte alto.
And here you can see a healthier plant and excellent root growth.
Presentan hojas nuevas y ante todo, para nosotros los caficultores, hay mayor producción.
Bei uns im Betrieb haben wir die Erfahrung gemacht, dass wir durch den Einsatz von Polisulfat 15% mehr Umsatzsteigerung haben in der Kulturfolge. Und das ist gut.
The 4 nutrients with a polysulfate enables us to have a good establishment of the plant, a good crop, a better yield.
Try it. Kann's einfach ausprobieren.
And that's the polysulfate story.